On this engine, we're basically taking the whole package and redesigned component by component. Lots of detailed work. Basically, the main extra benefits we put on is the turbocharging technology, 2 turbos on one and one single highly tuned turbo on the other, and then lots and lots of work on putting a piezo injection system onto the engine to enable more power and more refinement. Two models are basically the same basic structure of engine, but we've chosen to give them different turbocharger technologies. So the higher performance has 2 turbochargers, the other one basically one single turbocharger, and we tailor the torque curve to suit those turbochargers. With a double turbo, what we can do is use a small turbo first to make sure we get a really crisp response at the bottom end, and then we fill it in with a big turbo at the top. For the single turbo, we have to tailor it slightly differently to try and balance those characteristics out. These engines are very environmentally friendly, and you can prove it by several factors. First of all, we meet Euro 5 and we come through that easily, and then it's CO2, where basically on an S80 you can get figures around 162 grams CO2, and we think with the lower performance we're going to get around 158, which is going to be best in class. Fuel consumption, if we quote the figures in S80, in a high performance 6.2 litres per 100 kilometres, the medium performance we think is going to come in at 5.8. You can compare yourself, these are class leading figures. I'm proud of the sound because we worked so hard to make it a less diesel-like and compared to something like a V6 gasoline engine. And when you drive these engines really hard, you'll see the noise level comes down to really under anything you'd expect. What we've done is put lots of fuel injection technology on. You can trim the fuel injection pulse in 7 different ways to try and damp down combustion noise, plus redesign of the whole engine to contain the noise package.